Introducing KEYNCE's newest addition to our microscopy and surface analysis lineup, the VR-6000 3D Optical Profilometer, able to measure profiles, flatness, and roughness in 1 second. Conventional measurement devices, such as CMMs or stylus profilometers, are limited to acquiring point or line data, limiting measurement and analysis capabilities. The VR-6000 utilizes a structured light pattern to acquire data across the entire surface of the target, allowing users to understand their samples in greater detail and achieve increased confidence in measurement results. With over 25 years of experience in surface metrology, KEYNCE has consolidated the capabilities of multiple measurement systems into one device, capable of measuring nearly any call-out. The VR-6000 can quickly and easily measure height differences, distances, angles, and various other 2D and 3D dimensions. Surface roughness and GD&T measurements, such as flatness, parallelism, and concentricity, can also be quantified. The VR features a highly automated design to make accurate measurement possible for any user. Sample size, location, and scan settings are automatically determined with a single click. Templates allow measurements to be applied to a group of parts, saving time and increasing repeatability. Additionally, the VR can be programmed for pass-fail inspection to instantly determine if a sample falls within the design specifications. The VR-6000 now incorporates an automated rotation unit. Cross-sectional shapes can be reproduced without cutting or destroying the sample, greatly expanding measurement capability. Visit our website to download the product brochure or contact us directly for an on-site product demonstration.